Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique, and today we are going to be unboxing this huge box of goodies from the Tipsy Magnolia. Notice that I've been using Tipsy Magnolia tumblers a lot lately, and I absolutely love them. I'm excited to go over all the styles that they sent me from this box in this video with you, but they did send me another large box right when we got back from Tennessee from the Tumbler Invasion event, and I had such an amazing time speaking with them at that event and meeting Jimmy and his partner and seeing all the different styles in person. I have always loved and admired Tipsy Magnolia tumblers, once before steel Magnolia tumblers, and they're just wonderful. So I'm really excited to present them here on the channel, and thank you, Jimmy, for the discount code. So Flynn10 will save you if you want to pick up some of these tumblers today. I hope in this unboxing you'll get a good review from me and a good decision on whether or not these tumblers are the right choice for you as well. So let's dive right into this box. Right away, we see some pretty paper and candy. Absolutely love some good packaging. Here's our code and some notes that he had for me. And I also want to show you guys, look how full this box is. This was a lot of stuff. Here's a funny dad joke. Why did the tumbler always stay cool under pressure? Because it had nerves of steel. So funny. All right, you guys. So the first ones that I want to talk about are the color shift cups. Now, they sent me this 24-ounce Plump one with just the plain lid, but I also got one of the little 16-ounce ones with their HydroFit lid system. This HydroFit lid can fit all 3 different sizes, so you can go up to the 32-ounce one, and it's going to fit on there just as well as it's going to fit with the 16-ounce one, and it screws on really beautifully, and you're going to have a straw for a matching straw that goes with it, and the straw just kind of plugs into the bottom of that like you would normally see from a Hydro Fit lid. Some people prefer these lids. I really like them. They're dishwasher safe. But anyway, that is the color shift collection. I think these are great for people who do any kind of like laser etching, or if you want to use these as just regular tumblers, add decals to them, peekaboo, whatever. They are so beautiful. Even the bottom finishes so nicely. Here you can see I left the bottom of this one not epoxied, just the natural finish of it, and brought the epoxy down to that bottom corner, and it turned out beautifully. The next style that I want to talk about is the Big Betties. Now, this is the Big Betty 2.0, and I'm going to show you the difference here in this video in just a second, but these are very cool, very trendy, very popular, and when you get them, you're going to get them in just a plain black, but you can pick out what kind of lid and handle color you want. So they come just like this, and then it comes also with the screws, and it's super easy to just remove this and replace it with the colored ones that you ordered. So here is mine with the white lid and the pink handle, which I think is super cute. I also got another handle and lid set in this really beautiful like green and pink color, which I think is fun for like spring or summer. And I'll show you guys the difference between the 2.0s and the older ones. So if you'll see on this lid, which I did a tutorial with these not too long ago, they're more of like a boxy kind of lid and more of like a different shape here where it meets the cup. This one's more of like a rounded point, so definitely cooler looking, I think, and the lid is a little more solid than the old lid. So I really love these styles. Obviously, they're super popular, very trendy. They're fun to work with. They are a lot of work though. I talked about that in my video that I did just because of the sheer size, but they are very cool. They also sent me one of these powder coated ones, and this is a very nice, smooth powder coating. So you could put decals on there. It's not like super textured like some powder coating. I also like using these sometimes as like pre-prepped cups, so I don't have to spray paint or base color. I'll just lightly sand the finish of this powder coating and get to work with my design. Next, I want to talk about the travel mug bundle. I have been using these handled mugs a lot lately. I'm not sure why. I normally don't like working with handled mugs, but I think these are so cool. And they fit really well in my cup holder in both my husband's truck and my car. And the handle is like perfectly sized and rounded. You get those beautiful lids. These are very nice lids too, guys. You get a hole for a straw if you just want to do the straw, and then you get the rubber sealing push to close, or slide to close, I guess, lid. This bundle is $25.99, and you get the 32 ounce, the 24 ounce, and the cute little 16 ounce. I think these are precious. Here's an example of one that I worked with recently. This is the 24 ounce travel mug. I didn't finish the butt, and this needs final coat still. But I just absolutely love these. I think they look so smart. Every time I make a cup with this particular 16 ounce mug, I get so many questions on where did you find that? I love the shape. Tipsy Magnolia. So you guys are gonna absolutely love this bundle. $25.99, can't beat it. All right, next I wanna talk about the Plump It Up bundle. Now, when you think plump, you think bigger, but these are actually the skinny cups. So these are skinny straights. They're perfectly straight down the side. Again, they have that beautiful stamping on the bottom. Super high quality. The hold on the ice for this is just as long as any of my other tumblers, name brand or not, okay? These hold great. And they have the same lid system that I showed you earlier. So if you wanted to switch out the push lids with the HydroFit lids, you can do that as well. And of course, all of these come with straws. Here you can see with the HydroFit lid. But they have the 24 ounce, the 32 ounce, the 24 ounce, the 16 ounce, and this one even comes with a cute little 3 ounce, like, I don't know what they call it, Lil Plump, okay? So this cute little bundle right here is just $25.99. I think it's precious. I really love the size and shapes of these cups. The steel feels really good. The lids feel really good. And these are really like your staple cups here. I use 20 and 30 ounce straights more than anything. So these are great. Next, I want to show you all these little cuties that they sent me. Now there's the Lil Tipsy, the Lil Plump, and the Lil Betty. I think they're absolutely precious, and I think these are fun in case you want to showcase like a new rhinestone really quick or a new technique on one of your cups. Here's this one in the little color shift version. They have those as well. But aren't these just absolutely cute? And you can make fun little samples for your customers. I just think these are great. And these range in price from $5.99 to $6.49 each. Next, I want to talk to you about the True 24 ounce. I really love the shape of these cups. Here's the True 32, all finished and beautiful. I'm actually going to send this to Nikki, the owner of Tipsy Magnolia, as a thank you for sending me all these wonderful cups. I think this is right up her alley. I remember when these first came out and the shape was like so unconventional and different from what we've seen before. But after I got used to it and how fun and easy it is to decorate when you have such a larger space up here at the top, I really ended up falling in love with these. I think these are a solid tumbler design to have in your lineup, just as a good kind of alternative to the traditional curved or modern curved tumbler style. Everyone seems to like them, and every cup that I make with them ends up looking super cool. Lastly, I want to talk to you guys about these 16 ounce wine tumblers. Jimmy asked me recently, hey, what kind of styles do you like to work with so we could send you some cool stuff? And I said, I love wine tumblers because they're smaller, they're easy to work with, and when I'm trying to get a tutorial done really fast with maybe a more involved design, having these smaller wine tumblers makes my job so much easier, and I think they're so elegant once they're done. People can use these for more than just wine. Obviously, you can use these as a coffee tumbler or for tea. Anyway, the thing I like most about these 16 ounce wine cups is they have a wider base than most. So they're not as tippy, and they're a lot easier to work with, because if you've ever tried to epoxy over a base that gets really, really small here, it can get hard to balance it out. So these are a little bit wider. They have that nice clean stamping on the bottom, and I am very excited to work with these. The Tipsy Magnolia also offers fully prepped tumblers, which I think is amazing if you're in a pinch. I always like having a few of these on hand. Maybe I'm in a hurry that day for a live and I don't have a cup ready. I can grab one of these. It's base painted. I can even go directly onto this with alcohol inks and it's gonna look just as good than if I were to prep and base paint the cup myself. It's that nice flat matte paint. It's not going to scratch off. These are very, very well prepped, and not to be confused with a powder coated or a sublimation blank. This is just prepped, sprayed, ready to go for tumbler makers. And I almost forgot, this cute little 12-ounce morning mug is absolutely precious. I've already made something with one of these as well. Let me show you. So here's one that I've started. I haven't finished it yet, but again, I love having these small little mugs and cups to work on when I have more like involved designs like that, where I may not want to do a whole huge cup. This is a perfect solution, and everyone seems to love these. The handle is perfect, and you get one of those nice lids. Thank you, Tipsy Magnolia, for all the tumblers, and thank you for believing in me and my channel and offering us a 10% off discount code. Remember, Flynn10 will save you at thetipsymagnolia.com. We absolutely love their cups. We love the quality. They've been around for a really long time and they do a fantastic job. You guys are gonna love them. Give them a shot if you haven't already. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.